So we're gonna go back to this one, display category, right? So for the UL, we can add a class called inline categories, right? And then we can have the PHP here. So for this PHP, we're gonna take all of the categories and count. Yeah, we're gonna take all of the categories in the database and we're gonna count them. So we can have something called category HTML, and we're gonna have the PDO query. Yeah, so we're gonna use the query one. So this is a bit complicated, but if you follow, we can still do it. This is the most complex string. Now we're gonna name an alias called select all, and then we're gonna count piece post category from post ID as post count from category C, and then we're gonna use left join. So it will be left join post category PC. So it's important to know that PC, we are saying that PC is a short form for post category, and C is a short form for category. All right, so if PC and post ID, which means post category, is the table names, and then we will get the ID one. All right, so this is alias, so that is the way we use it, a short form of the table, just make the string more concise and readable. And then we're gonna join two tables on the condition that based on the ID, if the ID from the category table match with the ID of the post category. So we say category ID, right? And the next step is we're gonna group by so the group by here is to count the number of posts with the certain category ID. All right. Yep, so this is the string where we select all of the posts, and then we're gonna count the post ID, and then we're gonna join with the post categories on a condition that the ID of the categories and the category IDs of the post category table are similar. All right, so it may take a bit of time for you to make sense of the string, but that's all right, because this is quite complex in terms of the join between two tables. Right, so the next thing we want to do is to fetch all of the category. So we're gonna fetch the category HTML fetch all. Yeah, so we're gonna use PDO and fetch a sub. Now we got all of the category. Now we need to output them into the HTML. So we're gonna use for each to loop through for its category as category. We're going to echo an li. Alright, in the middle, we're going to do another echo. We're going to have a link. Category.php. Now we don't have a page called category.php yet, but we'll create it later. So basically this page is to show all of the posts belong to that category. Right, so category ID. Okay. So for the category IDs, we're gonna show the category and then the ID of it. And then we're gonna output the name of the category. And then we're gonna end the link tag right here. So that's it, the tag, and now we want to have the count for it. So to have the count for it, we can have something like category and then post count. And post. Alright, so basically this one is to display the block categories. So we take all the post count here is based on our query right here. We got a post count from this one, the post count for each category. Alright, so let's save it and then refresh the page. Okay, it seems that something missing right here, so it's not running properly. Yeah, I ran a check and it seemed that this we're talking about join the tables and the table names. This one should be category singular form, right? We don't have a table called post categories. So anyway, I think it should work now. If you refresh the page and it shows right here, so you see that we got one post for sales marketing. Now if we add another post 3, and we say content of post 3, and it's for marketing, for example, so we expect that would jump to 2, right? And we want to make it, there's a distance between the posts, so we can go back here and add a space right here. Alright, and we can add, now we see marketing is 2 posts have created. So now as you see, we have a fairly functioning system, blogging system, where we can just add title and content to it.